Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're tackling a word that describes something truly shocking, evil, or wicked. Heinous. But are you saying it correctly? Let's find out. So, how do you say it? The correct pronunciation is Heinous. Let's break it down step by step. The first part is hay, like the dry grass that horses eat. And the second part is nus, rhyming with bus. Now say it with me. Heinous. One more time, heinous. Great job. Here's a quick spelling tip. It's spelled H-E-I-N-O-U-S. So, what does heinous mean? It describes something shockingly evil, wicked, or atrocious. Think terrible crimes, horrific acts, or extreme cruelty, all things that can be called heinous. Fun fact? The word heinous comes from the old French word heinous, meaning hateful or odious. It has been used for centuries to describe the worst kinds of actions. Some people say heinous or heinous, but now you know the right way. It's heinous. Now, the next time you hear about a shocking crime or terrible act, you'll not only know what it means, you'll also say it like a pro. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who loves learning new words. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.